Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I've been MIA for a bit, but here it is. We're almost at the end of summer. I honestly love the brisk of fall, so I'm pretty excited for summer to actually get away, but some people do crave the last bit of summer. And in this video, what I would like to show you guys is to review some products that YesStyle provided to me and how I can create a summer chill out look for you. And I will let you know what I like, what I don't really like about the product, and you'll get all those information so that you can get the product and crave the last days of summer if you are one of those people that like summer. So not gonna talk further, but let's just get started. Me, whenever I'm starting a makeup look, I like to moisturize my face first with moisturizer and also with sunblock. Sunblock is actually one of the most important things that you want to apply, especially during the summer, because you want to protect your skin from the sun. In terms of sunscreen, this is the product I've been using all along. This is also something I got from YesStyle. It's by the brand Gleaming. I like it because it's not like regular sunscreen. It is like a little more on the watery side because I don't like those like sticky sunscreen. So I like this one because it's easy to apply. It's also very cooling, like I said, because it is like more like water. So I like this brand a lot actually. Next step is to apply this concealer. Looks good. So now I am ready for my first product. The first product I have here is the 2AN Gleaming Tension Pack. So this is going to create a more finished look as a base, and also it's gonna create the brightening effect for the skin. Honestly, I have yet to try this product. There is not a lot of review out there in YesStyle, so I'm really excited just to be like the guinea pig. Right off the bat, how gorgeous is this packaging? Wow, it shines and it's just giving me like a lot of luxurious, elegant effect. So this is what the product looks like. You get the mirror here, and then this is very typical Korean product. You get a very soft cushion, and when you open this is still packed. So now I'm going to apply this. Like that there's like a sound. Okay. It has a cooling effect, a little more watery than the one that I'm used to, but it creates like a glowy effect on the skin, and I'm liking it. I don't know if I'm seeing brightening effect, but I do see how glossy my skin looks, at least for my liking. Not too glossy, but I just see it kind of feel like a little more dewy and glowy. So this is what it looks like. I can totally see like how it creates a dewy look. And also I do not want to forget to mention, but a lot of this like compact cushion that you get from Korea, they already have SPF built into this. And this one, for this particular compact powder, it's SPF 37 PA++. The second